My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. The story wey I bring come for you be say the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don make one announcement wey all of us now need to know. He make this announcement now dey give country people wey be motorists. Say right now for inside we country Nigeria, we fit by ourselves choose between buying petrol, that is fuel, at the price of 1,000 naira per litre, or make we buy compressed natural gas wey be CNG at the price of 200 naira per standard cubic meter. No be small decision, my good people. You see this announcement wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey sama give country people, e dey happen during one meeting like that wey he get with executives of the Nigerian Independent Petroleum Company wey be NIPCO, NIPCO for short. And this meeting dey happen for inside the State House wey dey for inside Abuja. From there, now the presidential spokesman wey be Bayo Onanuga come still dey yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don also introduce incentives for commercial motorists to convert from petrol to gas free of cost. That is to say, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don do the necessary, don do the things and things wey be say anybody wey get motor or wey get keke or wey get machine and e don tire to dey use petrol wey be fuel, you can switch to CNG wey be compressed natural gas, and based on the things wey our president don do, e go run am for you free of charge. And this our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come still dey give accolade to NIPCO their contributions to the nation's energy transition efforts, particularly their support for the presidential compressed natural gas initiative. You say this compressed natural gas na something we say our president don dey yarn am since say he go introduce give the general public. E go make countrymen now no go come dey buy fuel again. Instead, we go come dey go with compressed natural gas wey go make life for dey easy for countrymen. We no go come dey complain say omo transport too much o. No, by that time na transport go come drop massively for inside we country Nigeria. And the koko no end there o. For inside the same statement now wey president now dey yarn all this one wey say make we choose between fuel and the CNG, he can use that opportunity now to dey tell the general public about the commitment of this in administration to provide a conducive environment for private sector investment and expand Nigeria's CNG infrastructure to enhance energy efficiency and economic growth. He constantly encourage NIPCO so dem continue their innovative approach to CNG expansion as they try to make sure say CNG now come dey nationwide. Say it makes sense. And another thing wey dey make the government now dey give accolade to NIPCO be say when this administration wey dey led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come put call give NIPCO concerning their goals for the energy sector, concerning this CNG matter, NIPCO no fall the hands of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Dem come through for am. Then the director of the Nigerian Independent Petroleum Company wey be NIPCO, he dey go by the name Mr. Ramesh Kasangra, and I lead the delegation during the meeting with executives. He come dey thank our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the man's steadfast support of the compressed natural gas sector. And after he come praise our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu yafu, he come dey express the commitment of NIPCO. He come dey yarn about how NIPCO dey committed to furthering the partnership wey dem get with government to make sure say the energy transition of the country Nigeria e remain on the right path, e remain on the good track. And he come dey assure our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say the company wey be NIPCO, dem dey very much ready to invest in infrastructure to make sure say the compressed natural gas wey be CNG, it is very much more accessible nationwide. And according to the director, he said NIPCO has been a key player in various sectors for inside the country Nigeria for over more than 4 decades, and they will continue to believe in we green country wey be Nigeria in the long term run. Now my good people, you know say anyhow this informate be you for body, you are free, nobody go arrest you. Drop am inside our comment section. How you see this CNG initiative wey go make country people no go come dey raising the price of fuel? Now e never dey clear wetin be the disadvantage of these compressed natural gas vehicles, you understand? But the advantage e massive, no be small. You and I know very well say fuel e don dear for inside the country. For some filling stations now, it is above 1,300 naira per litre. It's no longer funny. So if this CNG now come board, we go make people no come dey talk about fuel matter. You go see am say transportation fare e go reduce for inside we country, and the price of food too e go also reduce am for inside we country. Now for those men wey dey complain say the policy of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu e too choke, you understand, im for drop some kind things wey go make some people now fit dey breathe well for inside we country. E don say CNG. Dis na one of those initiatives wey go make sure say life good for the general public. E don say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu im mind true dey for the general public. All these things wey im dey do last na for the betterment of you and I wey dey call ourselves country people. Now sharparly make I still yarn you another legit. You know say on Tuesday wey be the 22nd day of October for inside this year 2024, our President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu im hold one meeting like that with several high-ranking officials, and these officials dey include men like the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning wey be Abubakar Atiku Bagodo. This meeting e happen for inside the presidential villa for inside Abuja, and that Tuesday meeting e dey mark the second day of work after the 2 weeks overseas vacation wey our president achieve. And it's no longer news that way our president now go on vacation and he can't stay long, you understand. Na 2 weeks na be the vacation, but based on say he can't dey outside wey katakata dey happen for inside we country, e come make controversies come dey solve for inside we country. E come make countrymen now come dey wonder wetin dey really dey solve with our president, whether im mind true dey for the general public abi just come our country to come catch cruise, then when im turn of finish im go retire go one side go relax. 4 years well spent and all those kind of levels dem. No, our president now don come back, he don hold meeting. Now the details of this meeting e no dey 100% clear, but tori people know very well say this meeting wey our president do with some kind officials, some kind ogbonge men for we country, key men, high-ranking officials, this meeting is targeted at one thing, and that one thing na to address the hardship wey dey for inside we country, to address the deepening economic crisis wey dey choke West Africa's largest economy. And reports dey ground say currently the pump price of petrol for inside we country Nigeria e don skyrocket reach 1,300 naira per litre, and our Nigerian currency wey be the naira e don lose value massively. We believe say na all these levels dem na our president dey table down for this meeting wey dey do so. And the special adviser on information and strategy to our president, im dey go by the name Bayo Onanuga, im sef don confirm this latest meeting for inside one brief statement wey im drop, but im no offer much details. This my good people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make you dey share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.